my Miss Sophia.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Some of guys know me, but some of guys doesn't know me. So anyway, let me introduce myself first. My name is Sophia, and my hometown is the same with Miss Kai. I'm from Vietnam, Achin State. So I know the school from my teacher, who is from Nizina, and I really thanks to my teacher, Boiza, and all the trainer of the business education. Oh, sorry, I'm level 4 student of the business education. So this school taught me a lot. What are the important things for my life, and what should I do for my future life? And I really want to thanks to my parents, because I'm so excited to give a speech to you. So let me speak in Burmese. Just let me speak in Burmese. ဒီနာမှာလိုင်းတော့ရပြီနဲ့အမေတော့လိုင်းရောက်ရှိတော့တိုက်ကြည့်လို့ကြည့်ပါဒါပေမဲ့အခုကဒီနာမှာလိုင်းရဘူးဆိုတော့ပြီးတော့ကြည့်မှာမဟုတ်ဒါပေမဲ့လိုင်းရလို့ကြည့်ပြီးခင်လေပြရမှာဟုတ်ပြီ Is that it? No. Okay, go. Okay, it's not Sophia, right? You want to see Sophia again? Yeah. Sophia always active and smart. And maybe because of so far away with your parents, right? So you will miss me? Yeah. It's okay. She will listen to you. Yeah. So yeah, being Thai, basically, I'm going to do Indian. So, qua sai English sao về em sẽ ngồi sai so mấy bộ mình ăn cả phụ giá hạt đó thì mình ăn qua sống sai mình mà cháu không phải mẹ thì á vì số giờ tôi vừa mới nghĩ cho khi mà tôi chịu thì em cũng nhiều việc thì em cũng rất là số giờ đã không xong gì em cũng do thế thì nghe biết cái gì đấy chịu cái chuyện gì này thế nào là nó phải bù đều cái chuyện gì này cái gì nào em nghỉ quê cái gì nào ngoài em nó không phải em nghỉ quê cái chuyện gì này tại vì nó nào là nó nghỉ emจะโอเคสิคุยไม่รู้เชื่อทำไมสุดยอดเลยอาจารย์เราติดใจที่สุดเลยตัวว่าเส้นมือสาวติดเชื้อมือสาวพี่อาเส้นตาบีคุยตอนนี้ตัวอะไรเราเส้นตาบีมัน
Right, we are here, right? Okay. Your friends are also here, and we are all together, right? You are not alone. You are not alone here.
မျိုးစုံကြားရတယ်ဒီမှာMiss Alina. To yeah, Yeah, they don't see the one.
Yeah.
I don't know if you need that one, need that. So, cho bạn gái thì của tôi cách anh đưa cho tôi như vậy này. Nếu không thể là bạn chú ý của bi ấy thì cái câu hỏi là chỉ mà leo phải sự của China của cái đây là 네, 포카이스고 어쩌기도 의심이 고하지. 주만 장애 그리고 마저와 생일 사도 유명나. 그래서 내가 봤을 때 아마 생일 사파요 생일가 또 가보고. 거기까지 요약하면서 의심. 기다고 막 khách 그때는 물론 사야에서 레벨 6만 아고로 디자비에 에더로 level 5 sibu try thiền phải ngủ cho quý cho mày. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And so here, don't be sad. We all are here together, right? Okay. So and also you are not alone, and also you have our friends, right? All together, right? Okay. So fighting, right? Okay. So